how to track your Walmart order. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Tracking your Walmart order allows you to monitor its status and estimated delivery date. So in order to do that, first of all open up any web browser on your computer or your laptops and type in walmart.com. Also make sure that you are logged into your Walmart account by entering its login credentials. Once you're inside, logged in, go ahead and click on the account button at the top right corner and click on Purchase History. If you've made any order or purchase, you'll be able to see it on this page. Walmart will show the current status of your order, where you'll also be able to view your carrier and delivery information. Since I don't have any orders yet in my Walmart account, I'm just seeing this blank screen. But in your case, you will be able to see all the details on this page. You can filter search for the details through date, returns, in-store tab, status, etc. So that's how you track your Walmart order in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.